You can add notes to your 3D models in the design space by using our Annotations tool, which can be found in the menu located in the top right corner of your screen. After you've selected the Annotations tool, click anywhere on your 3D model to add a note. You can now add a subject and a description. For example, tree removal for a subject, and then an explanation of the note. 60-foot tree to be removed by homeowner before installation. Save. You can also communicate, for example, BOS location. Let's click on the wall and enter a subject, and then a description. Save. After you've saved, you can click on the annotation to display the description. And you can also choose to show or hide your annotations as well as edit them or removing them as needed. The annotation features in Scanifly is a great tool for communicating specific information about your project to other teammates that may have access to it.